If you're looking to strike gold in creating a ChatGPT-like chatbot, then you are in the right place. I'm about to reveal to you everything you need to know about creating a multi-million-dollar chatbot AI automation agency for different industries. Industries have unique terminology, processes, and customer needs. A specialized chatbot understands and addresses these nuances, providing accurate information and solutions. By the end of this video, you will confidently know what 3 elements your chatbot must have in place in order to launch a multi-million-dollar AI automation agency. Now to today's video, an AI automation agency chatbot solution can address critical problems faced by various business industries. Firstly, in customer service, chatbots can handle a large volume of inquiries, reducing response time and improving customer satisfaction. They can also provide personalized recommendations and assistance, enhancing the overall customer experience. Secondly, in e-commerce, chatbots can assist with product searches, order tracking, and payment processing, streamlining the buying process and increasing sales. Thirdly, in healthcare, chatbots can provide preliminary diagnoses, answer medical questions, and schedule appointments, improving accessibility and reducing the burden on healthcare professionals. Lastly, in banking and finance, chatbots can help with account management, transaction processing, and fraud detection, enhancing security and efficiency. Overall, an AI automation agency chatbot solution can revolutionize various industries by solving critical problems and improving operations. Your agency's main focus will be on developing and implementing AI-powered solutions tailored to the specific needs of individuals and organizations needing chatbots. By leveraging the power of AI and automation, you have the potential to build a highly successful agency worth millions. Now let's explore some of the essential components that your agency should showcase in order to establish dominance in this field. The first essential component your agency chatbot should showcase is customer support. When starting an AI automation agency for customer support, you can provide businesses with a chatbot that will revolutionize their customer service experience. With your chatbot, you can help businesses handle customer inquiries and issues in a more efficient and effective way. By implementing an AI-powered chatbot, businesses can provide instant responses to their customers' queries 24/7. This means that customers don't have to wait for a human representative to be available, saving them time and frustration. For example, imagine a customer visiting an e-commerce website and having a question about a product. Instead of waiting for an email response or being put on hold for a phone call, they can simply chat with the AI-powered chatbot and get an immediate answer. Moreover, an AI automation agency can train the chatbot to handle a wide range of customer inquiries. It can learn from past interactions and improve its responses over time. This ensures that customers receive accurate and consistent information, leading to a better overall customer experience. For instance, the chatbot can learn how to troubleshoot common technical issues, provide product recommendations, or even guide customers through the purchasing process. Additionally, businesses can benefit from cost savings by using an AI-powered chatbot. Instead of hiring and training a large customer support team, they can rely on the chatbot to handle a significant portion of customer inquiries. This frees up human representatives to focus on more complex issues that require a personal touch. As a result, businesses can save money while still providing excellent customer support. The second essential component your agency chatbot should showcase is workflow automation. Imagine you have a company with multiple departments and employees, and there are numerous repetitive tasks that need to be done regularly. These tasks could include data entry, generating reports, scheduling appointments, or even answering customer inquiries. Now, typically, these tasks are done manually by employees, which can be time-consuming, prone to errors, and can take away their focus from more important and strategic activities. This is where an AI automation agency chatbot comes in. By implementing an AI automation chatbot, you can automate these repetitive tasks, allowing you and your clients to save time, reduce errors, and increase productivity. The chatbot can be programmed to handle specific tasks, interact with different software systems, and even communicate with customers. For example, let's say you have a client who runs an e-commerce business. They receive a large number of customer inquiries every day, asking about product availability, delivery status, or returns. Instead of having employees manually respond to each inquiry, your AI automation agency chatbot can be trained to understand and answer these common questions. It can provide instant responses, access relevant information from the backend systems, and even escalate complex inquiries to human agents when needed. By automating this workflow, you not only free up your client's employees to focus on more strategic tasks, but also provide customers with quick and accurate responses, leading to improved customer satisfaction. The last essential component your agency chatbot should showcase is security analysis. By leveraging chatbot capabilities, you can provide a reliable and efficient solution to tackle security challenges that companies face. Imagine you have a client, let's say a financial institution, that handles sensitive customer data. They need to ensure that their systems are secure from potential threats like cyber attacks or unauthorized access. Here's where your AI automation agency chatbot comes into play. You can develop a chatbot that performs real-time security analysis, monitors network activity, and identifies any suspicious behavior. Your chatbot can continuously scan the system, looking for anomalies or potential vulnerabilities. For instance, it can detect unusual login patterns, unexpected data transfers, or even attempts to breach the network. Once the chatbot identifies such activities, it can promptly alert the business's security team, allowing them to take immediate action and prevent any potential security breaches. Additionally, the chatbot can also educate employees on best security practices. For example, it can provide tips on creating strong passwords, recognizing phishing emails, or avoiding suspicious website links. By doing so, the chatbot helps build a security-conscious culture within the organization, reducing the risk of human error leading to security breaches. Overall, your AI automation agency chatbot acts as a proactive security assistant for businesses, constantly monitoring and analyzing potential threats and providing timely alerts and guidance to ensure a robust security posture. Let us know down below in the comments which of the 3 topics resonated with you the most. Also, don't forget to follow the link in the description below to reserve your seat in our upcoming course, because we have a special step-by-step tutorial coming for you soon on creating your AI automation agency with zero coding. In this way, you can avoid wasting thousands of dollars on developers to launch your agency. We hope you found a lot of value from today's video. And remember to like and subscribe, because in every weekly video, we will give you strategies to blow up your AI automation agency, using all of the context and details needed to unlock all areas of weakness that need the assistance of AI automation. The future is now.